friends. My name is Dr. Bunger and I'm the Director of Positive School Culture and Safety for Cincinnati Public Schools. In the department, we help all CPS schools implement strong, culturally relevant social, emotional, and behavior supports for all students and families. As a parent myself, I empathize with the overwhelming stress enveloping all of us. The Parent Support video series is designed to do just that. Support parents with information to help navigate through the interesting times we are experiencing. Before we start on today's video, I want to remind you about using hashtag CPS United, because when we are united, we are all stronger. In this video and the next, we'll share more ways to help you stabilize your child's emotions in times of stress and provide ways to understand and respond to the emotional roller coaster you and your kids may be riding right now. Our hashtag for navigating your child's emotions this week is hashtag #MirrorIt'sOkay. Now, have you ever cringed when you saw someone falling off a bike and immediately felt their pain? Why does that happen? It turns out that we're equipped with mirror neurons in our brain. Researchers have found that when someone observes the experience of another, the same areas of the brain light up as the person who is having the experience. Simply put, mirror neurons are linked to our ability to connect with others and develop empathy. If you want to learn more about mirror neurons, you can watch a YouTube video. So what does this mean for you as a parent? Does it mean that you can Jedi mind trick your child? Well, maybe, sort of, not really. You won't be controlling your child's behavior per se. However, you'll be modeling the behavior that you want to see in your child. Having a parent who is their rock and acts as a container to overwhelming experiences helps kids to feel safe. How do you do that? Here are some things that you could try and find out what works for you. Now, parents, when you're in a calm state, perhaps that 5 minutes of bliss before the kids wake up, try a few breathing techniques that we learned in hashtag OK to rest. Exhaling longer than you inhale resets the nervous system, making rational thought easier. Take 5 to 10 seconds to check in with yourself when that hot, bubbly, or prickly sensation of anxiety returns. When you hear, "Leave me alone," for the umpteenth time, or your child starts screaming because, yes, you do in fact have to wear pants in public, how is your body responding? Use your previously found breathing skill to calm yourself before responding. Take a second to analyze what your face is saying. Something as simple as the expression on your face can ignite fear or comfort your child and make them feel safe. Changing your facial expression, tone of voice, and body language to be inviting versus threatening. Fear can fuel the tantrum fire, and safety helps put the fire out. Now, parents, you know your child best. If you notice behaviors like fidgeting, shaking, balled fists, head thrust forward, a clenched jaw, or your child's speech becoming more rapid or high-pitched, these are signs of your child escalating. Give your child space, try to have a neutral facial expression, lower your voice, and keep your tone even. Respond with empathy and calmly explore the situation. Say something like, "You're sad because you wanted that toy and she's been playing with it first." Take a deep breath. The deep breath you took may also help you remember that everyone needs to be left alone at times. Allow your child the space to calm and revisit the topic later. Try problem solving with your child or teen. Sometimes tantrums or outbursts are happening because of a feeling of a lack of control. Finding a way to share power with your child gives you more power and teaches your kids some skills along the way. For younger kids, something like, "Let's figure out a way where you can play with that toy too." For teens, help them express themselves in a constructive way so they can learn how to build healthy relationships and be an advocate for themselves. Sometimes, no matter what you try, your child will continue to escalate. Perhaps it is because your child is used to you escalating with them and they're responding based on their past experience. Or maybe they're just having a bad day. Who can't relate to that? Rest assured The more that you mirror calm, the more likely your child will calm quickly. They will form memories of the new you and they will feel safer. While they are calm, you can process with them and help them grow from the experience. Bottom line, mirror imaging means what you reflect is what they react to. Kids will mirror the image of what they see. Be calm and be positive. Thanks to Marison Center for Safe and Healthy Children, Cincinnati Children's Hospital, and Joining Forces for Children for providing content for this parent support series. In part 2 of #MirrorIt'sOK, we'll cover how the brain acts in times of stress. Hope you can watch. In the meantime, stay healthy and safe, friends.